In the vibrant park, Alice's laughter fills the air as he plays with his parents, their joy weaving a tapestry of familial warmth. Smiles are exchanged as the kite dances in the sky, symbolizing the carefree spirit of their loving family. The kite soars high, embodying the boundless love and happiness shared among them. In the warm glow of the dining room, Ali, his mother, and his father share laughter and stories, their bond palpable. The clatter of plates mixes with heartfelt conversation, filling the room with affection. A devastating car accident unfolds, marking a turning point in Alice's life. In the solemn expanse of the cemetery, Ali stands beside his mother, their faces etched with profound grief. The heavy atmosphere underscores the finality of their loss. In the dim solitude of his room, Ali sits alone, clutching a photo of his father as silent tears stream down his face. In the dimness, Alice's mother sits hunched over her sewing machine, her face etched with fatigue. Her hands move with practiced speed, each stitch a testament to her unwavering determination to provide for Ali. A stranger, Omar, enters their home, disrupting the familiar peace. A quiet wedding ceremony unfolds, attended by a small gathering. Ali watches the ceremony, his expression a mix of confusion and unease. Omar's sharp words cut through the tense silence as he glares at Ali. Alice's mother watches, torn between her son and her husband. The air in the room crackles with unspoken tension. In the quiet of the night, Ali packs a small bag, the silence amplifying the weight of unspoken farewells. A final, lingering glance around the room betrays a heart heavy with sadness and resolve. Under the cloak of night, I quietly slip out of the house, leaving behind the echoes of yesterday. Under the harsh city lights, Ali sleeps on the cold footpath, his bag serving as a meager pillow. As dawn breaks, Ali wakes and begins selling tissue papers to passers-by. Amid the city's relentless pulse, Ali washes cars, a solitary figure in the urban sprawl. Mr. Hassan watches Ali, his face reflecting concern. Ali struggles, his exhaustion evident in every line of his face. Mr. Hassan approaches Ali with a gentle offer. "Young man, you look weary. I have food and a place to rest at my bookstall. Would you accept my offer?" Ali accepts with gratitude. Gratefully, "I accept." In the dim light of the bookstall, Ali sits hunched over a stack of books, his mind lost in the stories within. A faint smile touches Alice's lips as he escapes into another world. Bathed in sunlight, Ali sits at his desk, his brow furrowed in concentration. He is a picture of determination, balancing the demands of school with his work. In the dim light of the bookstall, Ali sits hunched over a worn notebook, consumed by dreams of a brighter future. The scent of old paper and ink fills the air as Ali sketches out a business plan, fueled by ambition and hard work. Ali sets up a small street stall, carefully arranging second-hand books and snacks. Ali smiles at the first customers, pride swelling. As the day concludes, Ali counts the earnings, a satisfied grin spreading. Under the relentless rain, Alice's stall becomes a waterlogged disaster as stern-faced police officers force the vendors to scatter. Amidst the chaos, Alice's eyes ignite with a defiant spark, signaling his unyielding resolve. Ali unlocks the door to his newly rented shop, the bell above jingling with promise. Sunlight floods the space as customers start to trickle in, each step hinting at new beginnings. He arranges the books on the shelves, ensuring each spine is perfectly aligned. He greets each customer with honesty and a friendly demeanor, his smile genuine. Ali stands at the podium, his warm smile and impassioned words filling the seminar hall with inspiration and hope. After the seminar, Ali is surrounded by reporters, thoughtfully answering their questions and becoming a beacon of possibility for aspiring entrepreneurs. Ali stands proudly before the Ali Foundation, empowering orphans, a beacon of hope. A gentle smile graces my face, knowing I am changing lives. Alice's mother, looking worn and remorseful, knocks at his office door. Ali opens the door, staring at her in disbelief. In a moment of profound reconciliation, Ali and his mother embrace, their tears a testament to years of unspoken pain and forgiveness. As Ali embraces his mother, a wave of understanding washes over him, and he forgives her. This reunion is a beacon of healing and closure, mending wounds that time had failed to erase.